Hello folks, today I want to do a credit analysis for you. I'm going to go through this credit report and tell you what's not working. This credit report shows somebody's credit profile. This person's information is totally protected, and we're just going through it to give you some ideas about your credit and how you can go forward building your credit, and maybe you can learn a few things. So here we are on creditkarma.com. It's a free website where you can look at your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports. And here we see this person has a 547 on TransUnion and a 544 on Equifax. So you see that's red. That means bad. He got the red card, we can say, or she, we don't know. So this person's in the red zone and they're in the 500 zone. So if anybody's in this zone, it's for a reason. So we look here, credit health needs work, accounts need attention. Let's take a look at the credit health. So right off the bat, there's a high credit card usage. This is going to lower your score substantially. Payment history is 80%, it's not 100%. If it were 100%, that means that all the payments were to be made on time, but because there's a late payment, that accounts for about 30% of your credit score. So we're taking a ding on there, the high credit usage, and the credit age, unfortunately, is low. If you have a longer credit history, getting something negative on your account is more forgivable. It acts as a buffer to your credit score, and the accounts are low as well. So there's no derogatory marks, as we see here. It's green, so this is good. And I just want to make it clear, folks, there's no judging with credit, because credit is always recoverable. That's what I love about it. There's things you can do to fix this, like the credit card use. All you have to do is pay that down, and then the credit score goes up. The payment history, those late payments will fall off eventually, and they'll hold less impact as time goes by. And my company can actually get these removed, these late payments in some cases. You want to contact me about that. And we have these accounts here, and the inquiries are low. We can also get hard credit inquiries removed, which will result in a credit boost. So we've been working with this client prior. As you can see here in November, it was lower, and then it's slowly going up. November 10th, it's gone up about 50 points over time. Sometimes it takes some time for somebody's credit score to increase, but the key is it can go up, and it will never remain where it is as long as you're proactive about it. There's things you can do, and there's things that I can do as well. So please give me a call at 818-399-1886. I can do a free credit analysis for you, and I can tell you what we can actually remove. And removing negative items is the surest and easiest way for your credit score to go up. And also removing those hard credit inquiries will result in a credit boost. You can look up what both of those are. I'm not going to explain right now. You can give me a call. I'd love to explain and do a free credit analysis for you. So I hope you learned a little bit from this credit analysis and review. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer. I'll leave my phone number in the comment box or wherever this will be posted, and feel free to get in touch with me, folks. I'm a normal person. I breathe normal air, and the sun rises and shines on me like everybody else in the world. I look forward to talking with you. Thank you. Goodbye.